Shoutout guys, another tutorial, another song. The song is from BTS, Snoop Dogg, and Benny Blanco. And the title of the song is Bad Decisions. These are simple or easy version of how to play this song. 4 chords only for the whole song, and I'll teach you my simple strumming pattern. And before we start again, for my Filipino viewers, sa mga naghanap ulit ng mga manipis na string, manipis ito, hindi masakit sa kamay pang practice. Check nyo link sa baba, pati rin ang pampakinis ng fretboard lemon oil. Check nyo lang mga link sa description ng video na ito. So let's start guys with the chords. No Capo, 4 chords only. I'll show it first. The chords are I'll play it first. Bad decision. So F chords, first the chords, and then we'll follow the strumming pattern. F, first chord is F, and then second chord is A minor, the basic A minor, and the third chord is D minor, and then the last chord is basic C. So 4 chords only. Simple version of how to play this song. Okay, F, A minor, D, and then a simple C. So and then for the string pattern, please follow me guys, please follow me. So kailangan natin ng tamang timing. We need the right timing guys for the string pattern. This is our string pattern. Let's shoot first. So, okay, so down, down, top, down, and then top. Okay, again, down, down, top, down, then the last one is top. Okay, okay, down, down, top, down, then the last one is top. Okay, top. Okay, down, the top, down, top. Okay, again. Okay, so repeat nyo lang guys, repeat nyo lang ha. Down, down, top, down, the top. Okay, then A minor. Okay, down, down, top, down, top. Okay, then D minor, then last one is C. Okay, repeat these 4 chords. Down, down, top, down, top. Okay, so that's all guys. Repeat para makuha nyo ang tamang timing ng string pattern. Repeat nyo lang. That's our simple version. F, A minor, D minor, C. Na string pattern, repeat nyo lang ang mga pagtuturo natin para masundan nyo ng mabuti. So yan na lahat. Nakasunod-sunod naman yun. 4 chords lang at ang string pattern. Hanggang dito muna ang tutorial. At ulit sa mga naghanap ng manipis na string, hindi masakit sa kamay pang practice at pampakilis ng fretboard, lemon oil. Check ang link sa baba. Nasa link ng video na ito. Link ng manipis na string at lemon oil. Hindi masakit sa kamay pang practice. Hanggang dito muna guys. Abangan nyo mga next uploads natin kung mayroong mga new song na madali lang i-play, try natin gawa ng tutorial. Bye bye! Bad decision.